thousands of good ideas. Ideas that will change our ways of working, ways of living, and even perhaps our ways of thinking.
We have had the pleasure of welcoming over 350 startups from about 45 countries over the last 5 years. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all to the reverse pitch.
We are looking for startups.
There's always room for improvement.
45 countries.
From Finland to Italy, from Iran to Nigeria, and from Taiwan to India.
Welcome our audience here live in Düsseldorf and our viewers on the screen to the grand final.
Digital transformation of the economy is of course one of the greatest challenges.
A warm welcome to Start.up Germany Tour 2021. This tour is a great chance to get to know our region. The State of North Rhine-Westphalia is located in the heart of Europe and has a lot to offer for international startups.
Climate crisis is one of the greatest challenges of our time.
We use the digital images regardless of the
Mobile devices.
Grand final ends today. Big applause for the 3 winners, Big Force, 3 Flags and Ant Machine.